Welcome to Home of Math. Today's question 64 to the power x equals to root over 16 root 18. Find x. So first this 64 we can write 2 to the power 6 and whole to the power x equals to here root 16 plus this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Now this one we can write 2 to the power 6x. Why? Because we know a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m n equals to here is root 16 and we don't want to use this root sign, so we can write 2 to the power 2 here 3 times 1 by 2, right? Now here is 2 to the power 6x and here is this 16 we can write 2 to the power 4 and here is 2 to the power 3 by 2 and whole root. So here is now we can do one thing, we can make square both sides. So 2 to the power 6x whole square equals to 2 to the power, look, we know a to the power m times a to the power n, it means a to the power m plus n. Why? Because once base are same, that time in product power will be add. So here is 4 plus 3 by 2 and for squaring this root will be out. So we can write square both side. Okay. Now this one become 2 to the power 12x and here is 2 to the power LCM 2, so here is 8 plus 3 and here is 2 12x and here is 2 to the power 11 by 2. Now look, again base are same, in this case power will be equal, so 12x equals to 11 divide 2. So we can write x equals to, once we divide both side by 12, it will be here is x and 11 divide 2 times 1 by 12 and what's our answer? Answer is 11 divide 24 and this is our answer. Second question, today's second question, which is root over in numerator root 12 divide 9 plus root 108. So this one we can solve lots of way. I'm trying to solve one of the easiest way. So here is root this 12 we can write like this, 12 divide 2, it means 6 divide 2, it means 3. So once we factorize this one root 12, it will become 2 root 3, because for this pair of 2 we can take 2 and this 3, it means root 3 times root 3. Okay, so from here we can take 1 root 3. So for this root 12 we can write 2 root 3 and here is 9 plus again 108. 108 once we divide by 2, 54 divide by 2, 27 divide by 3, 9 divide by 3, again 3. So 108 once we root, it will become, for these 2 we can take 1 2, so here is 2 and these 3 pair of 3 we can take 1 3 and these 3 root 3 times root 3. So we can write 3 root 3, it means 6 root 3. So direct this one we can write here 6 root 3. Okay. Now look, we will not keep any root in denominator, therefore we can write like this. Now here we have to maintain some tricks, like here is a root, then 2 root 3, so this one we can write 6 root 3 plus 9. Why we will discuss later. Look, now we can write 2 root 3 and here is 6 root 3 plus 9 and again 6 root 3 minus 9. In numerator we also 6 root 3 minus 9 root over. So in denominator and numerator we will multiply by 6 root 3 minus 9, multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay, now look, it's looking a plus b and a minus b. So we know a plus b times a minus b, it means a square minus b square. So this one we can write, so here is 18, look, root 3 times root 3, it means 3, and 6 times 2, it means 12. Sorry, here is 12 times 3, or we can direct write 36, right? We can write 36. Why? Because 6 times 2 means 2 times 6 means 12, and here is root 3 and root 3, it will become 3. So 3 times 12 means 36. Again, here is minus 9 times 2 means 18, here is root 3. Divide. This one is a square minus b square, so we can write 6 root 3 square minus 9 square root. So here is 36 minus 18 root 3, and here is 6 square means 36 and root 3 square means 3. So this one is 108, and here is 9 square means 81. So once we subtract this one, so 8 minus 1 means 7, and 10 minus 8 means 2, carry 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so 27. So we can write here 27. Now what is the common thing? 36, 18 and 27. 36, 18 and 27. So this one is what? We can find out the GCF, great common factor. So what is the great common factor? Does it 3? Yes, we can take common 3. So here is 12, here is 6 and root 3. Divide, here is 27 root. So 27 minus 3, it will be 9. Alright, now look, we can write 12 minus 6 root 3 divide 9 over root. So we can write, turn on our page, next page. So what can we do? Look, this one we can write, as we know, root AB, it means root A times root B. So similar, 1 by 9 root and times root 12 minus 6 root 3. So this one we get 1 by 3, and this one we have to make some tricks. Like what? This 12, we can write 12 equals to 9 plus 3, and here is minus 6 root 3. So look, 9 we can write 3 square, and this 3 we can write root 3 square. So similar thing we can write like this, 9 minus 6 root 3 plus 3. So 9 plus 3 means 12, and here is minus 6 root 3. So 1 by 3 root. This 9 we can write 3 square minus, and suppose this 3 we can write root 3 square. So we have to make some theory like a square minus 2ab plus b square. We know this one is a minus b whole square. So a square, b square, b square. So how about minus 2ab? So minus 2, a means 3 and b means root 3. And look, 2 times 3 means 6, and here is root 3. So we get the formula. So 1 by 3, and this one we can write 3 minus. So this one 3 minus root 3 whole square. It means a minus b whole square. So 1 by root 3. So this root and this square out times 3 minus root 3. So once we multiply, so 1 by 3 times 3 minus root 3 divide 3. So this one and this one out, so here is 1 minus, so we can use some calculator, like look, root 3 divide 3, it means root 3 divide root 3 times root 3. So 1 and this root 3 out, so 1 by root 3, right? So what does mean 1 by root 3? 1 divide root 3. So it means we can write what? 0.5773. So our answer is approx what? Approx we can write like this, 0.4227. It should approx, and this is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and don't forget one thing, this question is very important for International Math Olympiad, SAT, IGCSE and grade 10 or any other competitive examination in the world. Thank you.